to understand how these features really work. This is JavaScript, understanding ES6 and beyond. Hi, I'm Tony Alicea, and welcome to the course. Back in 2015, I released a course called JavaScript, Understanding the Weird Parts. I'm proud to say that over the years, over 100,000 students have enrolled in the course, and I've heard many stories about people whose careers were started with the course. The concept of understanding JavaScript under the hood, I'm also happy to say, found its way into the community, as I've seen the explanations and techniques for understanding JavaScript in that course repeated on YouTube videos, blog posts, and technical talks. Over the years, more content has been added to understanding the weird parts, but it was time for a sequel. And that's what this course is. It's not a replacement for understanding the weird parts. In fact, it assumes that you've seen that course and understand its contents, things like execution context, first-class functions, closures, etc. This course serves as a companion as we dive into some of the features that have been added to JavaScript over the years more deeply. So this course is dealing with ECMAScript, which is really JavaScript. The word JavaScript is copyrighted and owned by Oracle. So the open source specification says ECMAScript, but that's really JavaScript. Over the years, a lot of folks talk about ECMAScript 6 or ES6, which included some of the most major additions to the JavaScript language in years. And people talk about ES.next, which is a generic way of saying whatever new is coming to JavaScript. In this course, this is what we'll be talking about: ES6, ES.next, etc. We'll talk about topics like block scoping, let and const, classes, arrow functions, symbols, iterators, generators, and more. And we won't just look at code examples of these topics, but instead we'll dive under the hood of the JavaScript engine and we'll endeavor to truly understand how they work. As always, we'll follow a motto: don't imitate, understand. Just following along with someone while they code can make you feel like you know what you're doing. But in the real world, when faced with new problems and unfamiliar situations, you'll fall down. Instead, by truly deeply understanding, you'll be able to code and debug under any circumstance because you truly understand what you're doing. So let's get started with the course. Welcome to JavaScript, Understanding ES6 and Beyond.